How to fix Facebook Reels upload finishing problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, what you have to do is check for your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Switch between them to see if that resolves the issue. The next option is to simply open up your App Store. And once you open it, in the search bar, search for Facebook. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your Facebook application update to its latest version. Now after you do that, hit back to your home screen and then open settings. Once you open it, scroll below and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Once you are here, search for Facebook and then tap onto it. Now from here, simply tap on upload app and then tap on upload app again. This will help you to free up the storage used by Facebook and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once it is done, hit back to your home screen and then the next step would be to restart your device. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches that may be causing the upload issue. Now after you're done, if it still does not fix your issue, long press Facebook, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and then tap on delete. Once Facebook is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store. By following these steps, your issue will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.